the brain has its own immune system. Very separate from the body's immune system. Did you hear of the word lymphatic system? That's your brain's immune system. It controls the cytokine storm. Most of us have cytokine storm on, going on, never turn off because of heavy metals, parasites, because they get past the blood-brain barrier. Alright? So pay attention to the lymphatic system and keep your astrocytes healthy, your oligodendrocytes healthy, your pericytes healthy. You hear pericytes? Yes. The system creates parasites. Yes. So break it down. Yes. So know thyself. When you know thyself, if I tell you about a piece of biscuit, you can tell me how it is digested fully and incorporated in your body. Any system I attack, you should be able to explain it for yourself. That's what it means by know thyself. Know the enzyme, know the hormones, know how to balance the system. Alright? You are the average of the 6 people you spend your time with, alright? Remember the 6-pointed star. I see you're wearing the 5 points, alright? Yeah. So remember, my people, health is wealth. If you don't have good health, you cannot fight. Alright? Nobody is fearful or intimidated of somebody who is very unhealthy. So I'm promoting health, my people. Immunity, unity, community. Please make it multicultural and sustainable. Come over by the Pineal room. We have 5 powerful CMOS blends. The first one targets the brain. It's blueberry, elderberry, bladderwrack, ginger with agave. It's called Energy Moss Berry. Consume that, it keeps you going. Electric. Then I have something for the gut. It's called Green Clean. It contains the spirulina and the chlorella. This is the prebiotic, the probiotic, and the postbiotic. You will always hear the best and the greatest from the scientist who is doing the work. We also promoted the Green Clean because anemia is an issue. And there are 2 types of iron. You have the heme iron from animals and you have plant iron. Your body responds to them differently. Heme iron generally creates oxidative stress in the body and cause a depletion in the energy production in your mitochondria. It eventually destroys your mitochondria as well. Excess meat consumption can destroy your mitochondria, and so you feel lethargic, not much energy because of the oxidative stress in your mitochondria. Heme protein tend to have tyrosine hanging out, making it branchy and susceptible to nitration and oxidation. So we have to tone down on the meat consumption at times. Exploit another source of iron. I have the Green Clean, a plant source of iron to support blood building, oxygenation, respiration. But the Green Clean is also loaded with magnesium for hydration, muscle contract, etc. Zinc is there for immunity, sex health, and overall functioning, such as skin care and health and hair care. Alright, McKay? Everything locking in? Yes, sir. And we must tone down on eating of the carbohydrate processed sugar because they are creating havoc inside the body. Alright? Reduce the processed sugar sometimes and see if we can consume more wholesome natural food. Get into a shape where we can manage the body very well. Alright? Lead by example. So we eat healthy, the children must follow through. Let us see the change in the next generation. We have a genetics that does not breed diseases. Alright? You create blockages in the body and various disease will reoccur. And people will try to find solution to it and get doctorate and all these monies out of our own sickness and ignorance. Alright? We're not supposed to be here with diabetes. We're here with diabetes because we're eating too much processed sugar. Alright? Processed foods. Let's shift. After 2020, it's time to shift. It's time to do better. It was announced in 2020 that the melanated family is 5 times likely to die from COVID virus. I had to leave my lab to contribute to the community. Ever since, it's immunity, unity, community from 2021. When you were in lockdown, I was out here serving. and I'm still doing it today. And I'm asking you for your support by simply tapping in with me. Let us learn. Let us grow together. Let us heal together. Too many times you go to the doctor, and doctor give you a printout, a medical blood report, and you cannot interpret it. You need help to interpret it, to align your lifestyle. Don't just get these documents, put them down. Doctor will use them against you. Find people in your neighborhood, in your community that can help you to interpret them, and then you adjust your lifestyle. So when you go back to the doctor, he can say, I'm seeing you making some shift. This is what we need. We need people who are experts among us. Don't just blindly do things anymore. This is what I'm trying to tell you. An injection is out, wait a little bit first. Watch, observe. Sometimes you need to observe too, alright? Health is wealth. When you have good health, you can fight a little longer. You can pass on the best information to your children. It means your offspring and your gene line survives a little longer. Alright? Connect with the TPRIHL room in finite healing life. We are built on environment, ecosystem, and energy system. And we are about immunity, unity, community. Tap in and try the CMOS. Come on out. You can get a taste. We have sampling going on, alright? And power up to everyone who is here. And Mrs. Latoya James, it's a pleasure to be here. Thank you very much for having me. And thank you for everyone who is bending today. Let's move in immunity, unity, community. Whole love. Power up.